Welcome to the Core Loss Testing channel. Today we're going to walk you through the steps of swapping out your used e-meter with a newly calibrated one. If you'd like to jump to a certain section, you can find timestamps for each step in the description box below. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Contact us to verify your eligibility. In order to be eligible for the program, you must have an e-meter. If you don't have an e-meter, consider upgrading your machine. You can learn more about our upgrade process in the videos here. Step 2. We ship you a calibrated meter. After verifying your eligibility, we package up your calibrated meter and ship it to your location, with a return label included for domestic and Canadian shipping. Step 3. Swap out your used meter. Once you receive your calibrated meter, open the box and find the instructions to safely remove the old meter and install the new one. To install the new meter, disconnect and lock out incoming power to the core loss tester. Remove loose objects on top of the cabinet and be sure that the computer is firmly attached to the desktop. Remove the screws and finishing washers installed along both sides of the top panel. Close and lock the protective lid. Locate and raise the supports mounted on the inside walls of the unit and prop the top panel open. Next, locate the rear of the meter and gently remove the plug-in wiring connector from the mating receptacle. Be sure not to pull on the wires directly. Loosen the two screws securing the RS-232 cable to the meter port and remove the cable. Then loosen the screws on the side mounting brackets enough that the brackets will slide forward and pull free of the meter case. Unlock the lid of the tester and open it to remove the meter from the top panel. Gently remove the existing meter and slide the replacement meter into place. Close and lock the lid. Attach the mounting brackets to the sides of the meter and tighten screws to hold the meter snugly in place. Be sure not to over-tighten. Attach and secure the RS-232 cable to the meter port. Carefully replace the plug-in wiring connector. While keeping one hand supporting the lid, press the pin into the support to release it. Replace the screws and finishing washers to secure the top panel to the cabinet. Unlock and restore power. The core loss tester is ready to return to service. Step 4. Ship the used meter back to us. Once the newly calibrated meter is installed, pack up your old meter in the box the new one came in. Then add the return label, and once your shipping carrier picks it up, you're all set with the fully calibrated machine. Zero downtime. Hopefully this video helped you install your newly calibrated meter. If you have any other questions about our e-meters or exchange program, don't hesitate to call us or email us and we'll do our best to answer them for you. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.